Recording this video mostly for personal use. I wanted to use for myself for a future reference. You can also benefited by this video. So just follow the steps. I assume that you already know about how the JetEngine CPT works. So this is the final result what I get. So this is the archive page for the use cases, and these are different categories. And when you click on a single category, you will see that the category page has all the categories listed, and the the FAQ style use cases. So these are basically some posts. So let's get started. You need a add-on, that is a dynamic data add-on. So if you go to the CocoaBlock tools, so you will find this add-on and download this and install this one. And then first of all, I have created a custom post type. The custom post type name is use cases, and in the use cases, inside the use cases, I only add one meta field, that is a description. So that is only the description. So let's see the how the use case looks like. So when you see the use case, you see that just the title and one meta field description is added, and I have added some use case categories. So how I did that, so if you go to taxonomy, and so this is basically a custom taxonomy, and I have added a use case category. You see that I have added a use case category. So when I added a use case category, I named it and I selected a category for the use cases. That's it, nothing else. And when you go to the use cases and go to the use case category, I have added these categories. One more thing I did, I have created a menu using the use cases categories for future use. You see that here I have a menu using the use case categories. So you will see that why I did this. Now come to the archive page. So I created this archive page using the Elementor theme builder. The first thing is this header is coming from a template, and let me show you that this template is nothing but I just drag and drop the archive title. That's it. The description text is not dynamic, and just I use the shortcode and paste the shortcode here, and it's comes automatically. And the next thing is here I these things are icon box, and all the boxes and the data are static. I just copy and pasted the category main category URL here. This is how I created the main archive page. Now come to the category archive page. In the category archive page, simply the archive title, and this is the breadcrumb wizard. And finally, in this side, I use a menu that is I shown few minutes ago, use case category, and here I have created a listing for the post. So let me show you that how I created the listing. So for the listing, you see that I use the classic accordion wizard, and then in the classic accordion wizard, I labeled here the post title, and in the content type, select the editor, and I have selected the custom field, I mean the description for the use cases, so that it loaded here. So let's see that what the other settings are. The dynamics settings, click yes, and source post meta, and the rest of the things are you can see here. I click nothing, I have changed nothing, and here in the listing settings, listing source is post and the post type is use case. That's it. And this is how the category archive is created. One last thing I wanted to show, that how the breadcrumb is working here in the category archive page. So let me show you in the backend. For the breadcrumb, you need to go to the EOST settings, and then scroll down to the advanced option, and then breadcrumbs. And here you see that all the taxonomies are listed here. So you see that for the categories, I have selected the category FAQ, and for the use case category, I didn't select anything. So the main difference is when you select the category, it will show here, and if you don't select the category, it will directly show the home and then the category name. Thank you.